Hey guys, welcome to Loic's Kitchen. I'm Chef Loic, a pro chef from the DMV. Whether you guys are beginner or pros, I'm gonna show you guys some of my personal cooking methods. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so in case you guys were wondering why we are working with salmon today, so I actually got some fresh salmon from Bluehouse Salmon. Definitely check them out. I definitely recommend it. They have some very good quality salmon. As you guys can see here, look at the quality of the salmon. Look at the color. It's pretty fresh. I mean, this salmon is like USA raised, no antibiotics, no GMO. This is legit. So make sure you guys check them out on social media, online. Get your salmon. Let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cook our rice first. For our rice, so I'm using sushi grade rice. You guys can use risotto rice. I definitely recommend like some sort of short grain rice. So I want to put about a cup of rice in here. Okay, and instead of using water, I'm using chicken broth. Give it more flavor. So we're gonna go ahead with about 2 cups of chicken broth in here and just a tad bit of salt. And we're gonna go ahead and boil it. We'll let that ride for a few minutes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and make some sort of like green oil or like spinach puree, I would say. So we're gonna go ahead and add our spinach in the blender. And I'm gonna add a little scallions as well. So we're making a green puree and we're gonna pour that into our rice. It's gonna give our rice just more flavor and a color contrast as well. It's kind of like the vegetable component of our dish also. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some oil in there first. And we're just blend the whole thing up. So this is kind of like a pesto, if you think about it. Like making like a pesto rice. Now you don't want to hit it, you don't want to blend it too much because it's gonna heat up. This is gonna create heat, and what's gonna happen is your pesto is gonna break. The fat and solids would separate. We don't want that. Alright, so our rice is cooked. We're gonna go ahead and fold our pesto into the rice now. I'm gonna go ahead and add my pesto in. Just gonna fold that into the rice. And it's basically gonna turn our rice green. It's pretty cool, huh? Ooh, that smells good. So our rice is ready to go. As you can see here. Looks good. Our pesto. We got our pesto rice here, ready to go. So we're gonna let that sit and we're gonna go ahead and sear our salmon. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut a nice fillet of salmon here. Man, look at this beautiful salmon. Look at how clean it looks. Like, look at the fibers. Like, so again, like I say, we got this from Bluehouse Salmon, and it's rich with omega-3 and of course algae. Let's go ahead and season it with some salt. And let's sear it. Alright, so our pan is smoking, so our pan is hot. I'm gonna go ahead and lay our salmon skin side down. I'm gonna try to press a little bit. So really depending on how high your heat is, what kind of pan you're using, how thick your salmon is, that's gonna depend on how each side. But really, you want to let it ride on the skin for quite some time, for about like 2 minutes. If you flip it too early, you're gonna ruin the skin of the fish. So you want to let it ride for at least 2 minutes. Turn my heat down just a little bit. I want to make sure we get a crispy skin. Man, that salmon looks so good. So it's been a little over 2 minutes. You can see it's starting to smoke here on the edges. So I can tell it's time to flip our salmon. I'm gonna go ahead and flip that bad boy. Oh man, look at that beautiful skin. Look at that sear, look at that skin. Oh man, it's so crispy. I can cut my own hands. Okay, so at this stage, I'm gonna turn our heat down. Yeah, so we're gonna cook our fish to a medium temperature. because we don't want a well done salmon. That's too dry. I don't want that. I'm not eating well done salmon. And add some butter now. Just making some garnish, some scallion curls. I'm just gonna garnish our salmon with it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and plate our dish. Okay, so we have our pesto rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and land our rice. I'm gonna just squeeze a little of lemon juice on the flesh of our salmon and go ahead and lay that down. And just gonna add a little bit of sauté spinach on there. Let's add some of our travo on there as well. Just a little bit of our scallions to finish. There you go. You're ready. That's it. Alright guys, so here we have it. We have a seared salmon with spinach, pesto risotto, and some garnish with some travo. Simple dish. Let's go ahead and give it a try, guys. Alright, I'm gonna take a bite. My salmon looks so fresh. Oh man. Make sure I get some travo as well. Wow. Wow. That fish is like melting. That fish is melting. Wow. This is so tender. This is by far one of the best quality salmon I've had to work with so far. Go ahead, make sure you guys give it a try. Thank you so much to Bluehouse Salmon. Amazing quality salmon. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Thank you. Peace. Look at that. I don't crush it up top, bro.